What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to explain to you why people don't care about your products and services. They care about their problems being solved, what the big difference is between the two, and why one makes you way more money than the other. Alright guys, so if you follow my channel already, you already know that we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance, investing, and so much more on this channel. And in this video in specific, I want to tell you exactly why people want their problems solved. So stick with me till the end here, and I guarantee it's going to give you some more value. Alright, so of course in this video, I want to explain to you exactly the difference between providing services and products and solutions. Why the two are so massively different, and why you'll make 10x providing solutions to problems and not products and services. So let's say you're a recruiter or you're a recruiting agency and your main business is finding top talent for clients, aka companies, right? And that sounds like a pretty lucrative business. Newsflash, it's super lucrative. Actually, on that note, if you are not in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description right below this video. Click that link, join the group. We have over 13,000 recruiters in the Facebook group where we link up, collaborate, strategize, and all that jazz. You definitely want to be in the group. Click that link, join the group, and we'll see you there. All right, so as a recruiter, your prospects are companies that have problems, and their problems are that they don't have enough staff. Simple enough, right? All right, at this point, this is where you win or lose based on what decision you make. So follow me here and stick with me till the end. All right, so recruiter number one is gonna come into the client, the prospect, and pitch them. They're gonna sell them on all these services, the benefits, the features, all about them and why they should do business together with them because they are who they are, and they're gonna pitch them that way. All right, so let's pause for a moment here and look at this situation. Recruiter number one is doing one horrific mistake that will lose them the deal. They're talking all about themselves and their agency. They're not talking whatsoever about the prospect's pain points, problems, and how that problem can be solved with a solution. They're probably sitting there droning on and on about their reputation, their benefits, about how good they are, about how many clients they've worked with, about how just reputable they are in the industry, all these kinds of things that the client does not care about. Psychologically, the client doesn't care about your benefits, your features, the things about you. They care about their problems, right? People are selfish, and they should be. People want their problem solved. So the prospect psychologically is turned off immediately by listening to somebody give them a pitch all about them. All right, so recruiter number two, which is you after you watch this video, takes an entirely different approach. You approach the prospect in a meeting with one main objective. How can I solve this prospect's problem? So therefore, your approach includes asking lots of questions, doing a lot of discovery, understanding a lot of deep dive about the actual problem itself so that you can engineer a solution to the problem and actually solve it and convey that to the prospect. Now, side note here, as you approach a prospect like this and ask them lots and lots of questions, you're allowing them to just talk and talk and talk. People love talking about themselves. So whenever you get the chance for them to let them lay out all their problems on the table and give you all of the basically ammunition that you need to solve the problem, actually providing a solution, you're building rapport at the same time. So you're basically 10xing your respect with the prospect and your capability to actually seal the deal and do business with them. Understand that recruiter number one did none of this. Recruiter number one just talked about themselves, their agency, what they do, all of that. Recruiter number two, which is you, talked all about them, their problem, what you can do as a solution to that problem, how you can work together on that problem, how the problem can be solved. And psychologically, the prospect will absolutely respect and love you for it. So, of course, after asking all the questions you've asked, after understanding the problem, after hearing out the prospect a ton, you engineer a solution. right then and there, you're smart enough to figure out what the pain point is, what the problem is, and how to solve it. Now at this point, your prospect is so much geared towards working with you and signing a contract and doing business with you because you're not providing services and products or offerings. You are providing an actual solution to a problem. It's so much more human-like. 9 times out of 10, approaching the client in this manner in any business, in any niche whatsoever, you will win the business. You just need to understand the difference between the two. Like I said earlier, people that are providing solutions rather than products and services and offerings are basically creating a more dynamic and in-depth relationship, thus creating a more psychological bond and rapport with their client, which will win the business and actually get you making more money, way more money, 10x the money than recruiter number 1 that's not doing any of that. Always, always, always remember that solutions are what provides real value. And when you can provide real value, you always win. Hey, if this video is valuable to you, please smash that like button, subscribe if not already. Below if you agree with this concept or if you have any questions or anything else. And I'll see you guys next time.